Lincoln's Super Fantastic Toy Review. Super Fantastic Toy Review.
Welcome to my Super Fantastic Toy Review. If you want to see more awesome videos, hit the subscribe button down below.
You know, it's funny because this is sort of a boat, and in the boat you see lots of creatures and so forth. So, hey, what do you say we have Hot Wheels surprise of the day backpack? That's your backpack, but what's in it is for both of you.
I wonder what it is. Is it a new Hot Wheels building?
I don't know. It could be anything Hot Wheels because it's the Hot Wheels surprise of the day backpack. Oh!
I'm gonna crash.
Boom! Wow, you know what's over there? That's the U.S. Embassy in Budapest. Surprise of the day backpack. And it's got stars, it's got all those cool things. Just like stars on your jacket.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay. Let's see that one. Show it to the camera. Oh! Yeah. Let's see it. Can I see it? The next one? Let me see what you got.
So much monster trucks in there.
They're real monsters. Let me see that one. Is that like a big fish?
Yeah.
What's yours? Let's see. You got a dinosaur monster truck. Oh, what's next? What's the next one? You grab one.
Okay, first I'm gonna open one.
Okay.
Daddy, look! You can make the shapes out of the crashables.
Oh, I didn't know that. We'll have to sort of explore that.
First, we open the tiger shark.
Let's open them first. There you go.
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark. Who's that? Oh, try the bottom. Right here. Maybe right here. Oh, there it is. Pull it apart. Oh, yeah. Nice. Tear. Pull apart. Oh, let's see it. Again, one sec. Oh, let's see it. Show it to everybody. Show it to everybody. Oh, I got to see it from the top. Oh, nice. There, I think that's the part that you pull. Oh, yeah, that's the secret on a monster truck. Pull the bottom apart. Pull it away from each other. Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, just keep yanking. Put your hands inside. Oh, there it goes. Oh, keep going. We got it, we got it. Let's see that thing. Let's show everybody what that one is. That is the piranha and a smashable. Let's see that thing. Show it up to the camera. Oh,
I can always bite people with his huge mouth.
that's a Hot Weiler. Okay, whose is that?
Sophiah.
Grab that Hot Weiler. See it. Nice. Here, see it. Pull it out. Oh, show it to everybody. Nice. That's an awesome one. Sophiah.
Don't forget.
You want to see the smashable? Fantastic. Sophiah, come get your Monstersaurus. Whose is that?
That's
Sophiah. Is that yours, Sophiah? Oh, put those down here. Put them right here. We're going to stick them right here at the end.
You have to put them in.
Okay, they'll be right there. What?
Tiger shark, piranha, Motosaurus, Hot Weiler.
Two. Okay, you ready? One sec. Oh, next one. Boom. Sophia's turn. Oh, you're gonna slide down to get your cars? Yay! Okay, Sophiah, one sec. Okay, you do one at a time?
No, mini shoes.
Oh, you're doing two. These are yours. Ready? Let's go. Oh, good one. She's coming down. She's coming down. Woo! What do we got here, guys?
We have monster.
Oh. Whoa! Okay, stay up there. Oh, you're coming down again? Whoa! Whoa!
showdown.